Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Outlook search not working. The first thing I'll recommend you to do is to update the Outlook. Just go on your file, just go under Office account, and here there's update options, and you can click on update and make sure you have the updated Outlook program. After you do that, and let's say you're still having a problem, then you can try these settings. First thing, go to your settings, go on file and go under options. Under options, go under search. And we are going to rebuild the search index. We're going to click on here, indexing options. Go on advanced. After we go here, go under troubleshooting, rebuild, delete and rebuild index. Click on this and click on OK. Give it a moment for it to finish rebuilding your index and try to see if it works. Furthermore, if it's not working, you can go under options again, go under add-ins. You can disable certain third-party add-ins that can interrupt with your search and try to do that to see if it works. You're done.